Guys, napanood niyo ba yung bagong vlog ni Sir Lloyd? Yung kakapost lang sa YouTube, mga nag-price drop na unit. So ito pong nasa likod ko, kasama po yan sa mga nag-price drop. First owner po ito, ang mga may-ari po, madre. So sila po yung mga gumagamit ng sasakyan, nagme-maintain ng sasakyan, at ginagamit nila to serve their church and the people. So this is 2017 Kia Grand Carnival CRDI 2.2 diesel automatic. Ang kulay po niya is titanium brown. This one is auto fold na rin po at merong LED indicator. Then yung kanyang gulong, this is an 18 alloy wheel. Meron siyang halogen DRL na LED with fog lamp. Then the grille, the tiger look ng Kia Carnival. So what I like about this car is automatic na yung kanyang side door. So yung kanyang upuan is very well maintained. Again, alaga po ito ng mga madre. Naka-fabric seat na siya. Convertible yung kanyang seating adjustment. Pwede siyang naka-captain seat or pwede mong i-adjust yung kanyang upuan para maging 8-seater siya or 11-seater. Then, LED na rin yung kanyang rear lights. Pipili ka na lang, extra seat or extra storage. So, maganda rito guys, naka-isofix na yung kanyang mga upuan. So, actually, this is a good for family car. So, yung mga may bata po dyan, actually, may client po ako, purpose talaga ng pagbili niya is para sa kanyang mga baby. Safe na safe ang mga bata. So yung kanyang steering wheel, meron siyang hands-free button with cruise control and then telescopic yung kanyang steering. Malamig yung kanyang AC. 4.3 inches na touchscreen head unit. Meron siyang indicator ng time dito, yung kanyang blower and aircon adjustment. Actually, meron din siya sa likod. So ito naman yung kanyang engine bay. So this one is a CRDI engine, 2.2 turbo diesel with 4-cylinder engine with 190 horsepower and 440 Newton-meter of torque. So yung current odometer reading nito is 97,000. Guys, don't be discouraged. This is a 2017 unit. Ang typical usage po ng engine diesel sa kanyang mileage in a year is 10 to 15,000. So pasok na pasok po siya sa kanyang normal usage. Very well maintained po ito guys. Wala na po kayong papalitan dahil naalagaan na po at napalitan na ng kanilang previous owner.